Sandy, how are you? How are you? No, sit still, sit still. No, sit still.
No, manager.
No, sit still. What's going on?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Yeah, sit still and tell me everything.
Manager.
Ah.
No.
Okay, now sit still. Are you fit for duty?
I'm fine.
I'm fine.
Manager, I'm fine, manager.
Okay.
I'm fine, manager.
What's the problem?
No problem, manager.
Okay. But you are not fit for duty.
I'm fine for duty.
Fine for duty.
Yes, manager.
Okay.
Yes,
I
manager.
can see you are fine.
Yes, manager.
But I want you must rest for the night.
No, I'm fine, manager. For a night.
Stand one leg for me. Stand one leg for captain.
I'm doing.
Stand one leg for captain.
Mr. Minier, no, Minier.
You can't stand one leg for me.
I know. Okay.
No, leave the cupboard.